I got some blades in. You can see that one, the two facets, really, really, really bad angles on that. Those two major ones. And this one, so where you see the very tips there. And get the light to show you there. Really bad line straight through everything. And it's terrible. And I got 4 more in the Ziploc bag. And I called up the customer and asked if he even wants me to take a look to see if we can try and save these. I haven't seen the ones with the brass, but this one had 2. Over top of these. I think this plate too. Yeah, there you go. It goes all the way. These have been horrible attempt at sharpening. Said a friend was doing it and they're just learning. Well, I'm not sure what to do, so I called him and left it in his hands.